Here I've got Samsung Galaxy M30s, and let me show you how to change video resolution on the following device. So at the very beginning you have to locate and open the camera app. Then go to the settings, located right here. And now just scroll a bit down, and here you will find rear video size and front video size, so here you can smoothly change it. Just pick the first one, which is the back camera, and here you can pick the resolution. Smoothly click here and then select the one that you would like to apply. Obviously you can also change the size right here, and this is how you can switch between different size and quality. And then also you can do the same thing for front video size. Just click on resolution, and here you've got two modes. And this is how you can smoothly and easily change video resolution on your device, how you can activate higher quality. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.